how to be always happy. Happiness is the very first and last goal of our life. Whatever we do in our life, we do it for happiness, isn't it? Whether we try to earn money or spend time with our friends or family or go to some temple or club or choose a career of our interest or whatever, we do everything in pursuit of happiness. So, what exactly is happiness? Is it a temporary state of mind? No, happiness is not a state of mind, but it is the very nature of our existence. It is our original nature without any kind of artificial conditioning. Have you ever noticed a child? A child is always joyful no matter what. Though children cry whenever they don't get what they want, but this momentary cry doesn't make any difference in their joyful self. We were also the same in our childhood. We were also as blissful as any other kid because that is our original nature. But with passing time, our parents, our teachers, and the society has conditioned us in such a way and feeded so much external information in our minds that we have started living in our own world instead of living in the actual world. On the basis of this external information, we have created our own beliefs and built such a wall of beliefs around us that because of this wall, the actual truth of the universe is unable to reach us. We have started living in our own artificial world, which is totally against our original nature. Now, it's not the fault of our parents or teachers or the society, since they have also been conditioned in this way and thus they are giving us what they received. So, what is the way to rediscover our original blissful self and be always happy? The first thing that we need to understand is that a person who tries to control external things, situations, or people can never be truly happy. We can never have control over external things, and even if we gain some control, it will be temporary. It will never give you permanent happiness. Besides this, inner happiness does not depend on external things. I have seen a lot of people who have everything externally, but still they are miserable. And I have also seen people who have absolutely nothing, but still they are blissful. Now, whatever we experience around us, we experience it within us. When our eye sees an object, although the object is outside, but its image is formed inside our eye. Similarly, when we hear some sound, though the source of the sound is outside, but the sound we hear inside our own ears. Since whatever we experience it within ourselves. So, how our experience of this life should be, this should also be decided by ourselves and not some external situation or person. You should not be the slave of some external person or situation, but you should be a master of yourself. If our thoughts and emotions remain in our control, our experience of this life will also be in our control. Once we take charge of our experience of this life, nothing can make us unhappy. It must be our decision whether to be happy or unhappy, not of some other person or some other situation. We must decide to stay happy no matter what. You have no control over external situations or what happens around you, but you must have absolute control over what happens within you. You must decide that no matter what happens, this is the way I will be. Soon you will realize that the happiness which you were pursuing was always there. You simply needed to realize it. Happiness need not be achieved. It simply needs to be realized.